Well, it's cracking, everybody. Pete here from M&M and the Gang, and we are back at NARVC in Las Vegas, finishing up on the work that's being done to our coach. As you remember, that door and that door had big scratches in them. They buffed those out. This door needs to be replaced. They have it in now, and we're waiting on this fender to come in. They sent the wrong fender in. They sent the driver's side, and we need the passenger side. So we're waiting on that to come in, and there's no ETA on that, so I'm looking 2 to 3 weeks or so. And this door had scratches on it, and they buffed that out. When we left last time, we went back to Morgan Hill, Thousand Trails Morgan Hill, and got evacuated again at like 2:30, 2:40 in the morning, something like that. And raining, high wind, flooding, and I backed into the Jeep and did this damage. Bent the radiator cover, broke a couple of supports in there, and cracked. This was bowed out here, and it's cracked down there. So they fixed that. Something like $9,800 or something worth of damage. The other side was like $13,000, so about $22,000 worth of damage done to the coach in those 2 accidents. So that's why having good insurance is very important. We have Progressive, and we've been happy with Progressive so far. The damage, a couple of phone calls, they ask us where we're taking the coach and when, and they'll send somebody, have it adjusted. The adjuster come out and look at it and cut the check, and that's how it's been. For the 2 accidents, they've handled it promptly. No problems, no nothing. Checks are in, they have the checks. They sent a check to me on the first one. The supplemental went to the company, to NRVC, and all the work is being done. No hassle, no nothing. I know a lot of people have problems with insurance companies with getting things fixed, but we've had nothing but a great experience with Progressive. Another thing is this door. I ordered the handle for it. I can't put it on yet because they sent the handle and the key. The lock didn't have a key. I was on the impression that they would send the proper lock because they took the VIN number and all that stuff down, but they didn't send it. So I have to order another key. I think it's 18 to 20 bucks for a key. And also the door, there's a piece of metal that connects to this. So if I put the handle on and I close it, I won't be able to open the door because I got to get that piece of metal. So anyway, that's that. It's a Saturday, and nice day. It's about 80 degrees out, and very few workers. I mean, they've had a couple of workers ride through, but mostly they're doing walkthroughs. People bought coaches. 2023 Cornerstone, 2023 Aspire, and 2023 Dutch Star. I think somebody's gonna do a walkthrough on that. But I'm gonna walk out here, show you guys where we are. Of course, it's all gated to get inside. You need the password to get inside. There's cameras everywhere. You can feel safe. This is where they wash the coaches. That's your dump station right here. And when you pull up, you pull into this spot here to go inside to let them know you're here. And they'll come out and bring your coach inside, or you can bring it in, either one. I let them do it because I didn't want to hit anything. But anyway, this is I-15, and that way is south, I think it is. Nevertheless, it's the strip is down that way. We were there the other night. It's nice walking down there at night. It's like 75 degrees. Nice little breeze. But you see quite a bit of RVs on I-15. And off in the distance is Nellis Air Force Base. So you can see the jets flying. Oh, they fly low. Several of them. They fly F-22s, F-35s, F-15s, and A-10s, all of them. It's like an air show. So, and they fly right over the building. On this side is, of course, your intake. On the other side of the building is a sales section over there. And they don't have a whole lot of coaches for sale. They do have some, but it's nice to go out and look, you know, just to look at stuff. And going back inside, there's a couple that's been here. I'm about to pass. They were rear-ended by I think, an Amazon truck or something. Can't show you guys the code. Hello.
Hey.
How are you guys? So, yeah. How are you? Nice day.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So you have 50 amp in water, and then the dump is outside. Yeah, I'm close to the gate because we have our Blue Boy, and I can just dump there and then pull the Blue Boy over and dump my tanks. So, but yeah, we're gonna be here for next couple of weeks. Hopefully not a month, but be less than that. And once they finish, we'll be as good as new. Get it washed up and then head back to the Bay Area. And yes, of course, back to Morgan Hill, and stay there because it's closest to the family. We got some birthdays coming up and graduation, so we'll be out there. So that's a quick update of our coach and where we are. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Peace.